there are 3 myths about 1031 exchanges. Number 1, that 1031 exchanges are only for large commercial properties. That is not true. The phone calls ring with people that have 25,000, 50,000. If you're selling a home, selling a condo, selling an easement, selling a cell tower, these are not large exchanges, but anyone can do a 1031 exchange that's looking to defer their taxes. Myth number 2, boy, this is a doozy, like kind. You know how many times I get phone calls and they say, oh, Mr. Fernandez, I'm selling a house. I got to buy another house. No, that's not true. Like kind means real estate to real estate. The federal government's really slow to change their website. Let me give you a history lesson. In 2017, the Trump tax reform changed the ability of what exchanges can do. Prior to that, you can exchange airplanes and gold and silver and fine art. So the term like kind was very important. You couldn't go from gold to real estate and from real estate to gold. So now that's all done away with. Like kind just means real estate to real estate. Mostly all real estate that is held for investment purposes or for a business would qualify for a 1031 exchange. Myth number 3, you have to use every penny or your exchange fails. That's not true. If you don't use all the money for your exchange because for some reason you couldn't place it all, well, you just pay taxes on that portion. That's called boot. As long as you use mostly all your money and you have a little bit left over, that is not called a failed exchange. That is called excess boot, and that portion you would pay taxes on. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more insight on real estate investing. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.